Hello folks, this is Sunday night, the 5th of January. Happy New Year to everybody. If you haven't seen previous videos, just wanted to do a quick update on the Bitcoin, which we've been following. Anybody been following for the last few weeks, you'll know that we've kept an eye on this. This is the long-term weekly chart that we've been looking at, and we've been focused on this Gartley pattern that started back in December 2018. Had a big, large move up to 14,000 a share, and then we've backed off in this nice ABCD, as you can see. And if you notice, we've also got another ABCD in blue, which is perfect in time and price. Time between high to high equals time between low to low on a weekly chart. And what's interesting, this is 61% retracement at 72.19. That's the 61% retracement to the low between the move from the low of 2018 to the high and the 61. And if you notice, although we've spiked through this 1, 2, 5, virtually 6, 7 weeks, we've spiked this, we've managed to close on or just slightly above it. So this could be a key going forward. If we come and have a look into the daily chart now, that's the AB. I should have done that in blue actually. That's the blue ABCD that we just looked at on the weekly. And I've just put this red line. This is the lowest close that we made on this first swing down before this nice few days rally. Then we've come down. You can see this line. It's broken it, and this line's acting like a magnet. But a nice little Gartley there. That's a little butterfly. X A B C D. Then we had this sort of like double bottom, and we've rallied back. Now this red line is acting as a support over here, and now it's sort of acting as a bit of resistance. If you just zoom in on this a little bit, what's interesting, this Friday's close is a 6-day closing reversal. It's closed higher than the close of the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So this could be significant. However, from a bullish perspective, I'd like to see a daily close above this red line, just because the trend is still down. We can't seem to make new highs. But this is a nice little ABCD, A, B, C, D pattern. We're at the 61% retracement, I believe. In fact, we'll come down and look at this on a slightly lower time frame. There you see we've tested the 61. This is a good bounce off the 61. Closed back above the 382. This is quite bullish. It's all down to your appetite for risk on this trade. I mean, trading's a risky business, as we all know. So you need to, judge things for yourself. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing. That this is quite bullish. So you could enter this trade on the open on Monday. I won't risk more than what Friday's low. That's where my stop will be. On the previous trade that I entered it, I put my stop at 7,000. I've been stopped out on that, but that's quite all right. I made a bit on the first swing. I thought we'd hold this low. We didn't. We took it out. But this is interesting now. So look at this on a 60-minute chart. You'll see the Gartley a little bit more clear. Zoom in a little bit. There's your ABCD. A, B, C, D. Right into your 61% retracement. Good bounce off it. Let's see another nice little ABCD down here. Somewhere into this 7,000. Test this 7,000 one more time. That'd be a great area to look to be a buyer. But if this thing works, that sets up your ABCD from here. A, B, C, D. So that's going to take you to over 8,000, isn't it? Let's have a look at 4 hour. Might be a little bit easier to see it. Zoom in a little bit. Let's see what we're looking at. Yeah, this should set your ABCD up off this swing. A, B. There's your BC. So that BC swing is formed of your A, B, C, D on that. This is a Gartley pattern, a buy Gartley. This is a really good move off it. And then that sets up, of course, a move equal to this. So if you get that one, and then clone that and project it from the low we made on Friday. That comes in there. Fade that back a little bit. We should see that that should bring us in somewhere around about 8,000 level. So this is another level of support and resistance a little bit higher up than what we had after the low we made. We tested this, hovered about, then broke it, hovered about, supported on it, broke through it, back above it again. So this is also a significant level of support. But I would say any move below Friday's low is telling us that this downtrend's probably not finished yet. But at the moment, it's looking quite bullish, especially with the daily candle. It's a 6-day closing reversal. This close is higher than the previous 6 days. But ideally, from a bigger picture, a close above this red line on the daily, I think we could be in for a nice rally off this. So that's what I'm seeing in the Bitcoin update. So take care and good luck with your trading.